Days of Elijah, the intro I think is very important because in the recording it's got this riff. I want to bring that into my guitar playing, especially if I'm a single muso leading in a small band. If you have drums and bass and piano, then you know the band can really emphasize that. But for me, I have to do it on my guitar, so I would do it intro like this. So that intro, I just emphasize, I still strum, but I emphasize the bass. So if you look here, my strumming just turns to bass. Instead of going, I concentrate on the bass. And it doesn't matter if you hit 2 or 3 strings around the bass. It's like strumming, but you just want to highlight the bass. And then I get to the D chord, I extend it. So there's D, but I use the extended D, added A note. So it's a sudden stop. And then after that, I go take finger 2, and I go to the 12th fret. I've got a double dot there on my guitar, so it's quite easy to find, 12th fret, and I then slide. So you hit the string, so you can see it's a slide from the 12th fret to the 3rd fret, and then I do the G-shaped chord and I strum down. Another thing you'll notice in the song, I do slapping, especially if you don't have a drummer in church, then the slapping helps that percussive feel. Turn the guitar. So I go down, up, slap. And the slap is not on all of the strings. It's like a slap here and on the top 2-3 strings. It's the strings hitting against this fretboard that's causing that sound. If you were to look closely, you get that percussive sound.